can jog also. And go forward and back. Come on, move. You can jog and go forward and back. Keep moving. Sideways. Come on, go for it. Movement is what is more important. Come on, keep moving. Come back in the center. And kick, kick, kick. A little higher. थोड़ा ऊपर उठाओ. Keep moving, come on. Now we add a punch here. 1, 2. Come on, keep moving. Keep a smile on your face also. Normal walk. Take your legs sideways. Use your hands to twist. Legs higher. थोड़ा सा पैरों को ऊपर उठाना है. Try to keep it at your waist level. Come on, move. And walk or jog. Kick your legs up. Come on. Simple movement. Make it fun. Add a jump if you can. Keep moving. Okay, that was our fun warm up. Continue to walk. And what we do is very simple. 2 breaths in, 1 breath out. 2 बार लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और 1 बार बाहर छोड़ेंगे मुंह से. Try to make the outgoing breath a little more longer. रिलैक्स. कभी भी आपको ऐसा लग रहा हो कि यार मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड, you do this simple stretch. Fingers spread wide apart. Take your hands wide apart and take your lips wide apart. E like this. E. You hold this for 1 minute. It's impossible that you don't feel good after this. अगर आपका जो मन है वो ऐसे सिकड़ा हुआ है तो क्या होता है, हमें बुरा लगता है. बट जैसे ही मन एक्सपैंड हो जाता है हमें अच्छा लगता है. तो शरीर और मन जुड़े हुए हैं. द माइंड एंड द बॉडी आर कनेक्टेड. द मोमेंट यू एक्सपैंड योर बॉडी वाइड and with a smile, big smile, you keep it for 1 minute and you naturally start feeling good. So shortcut to feeling good, just stretch your body completely. Make sure that you stretch your lips also here. And you can make that sound. Hee. And relax. Breathe in, expand your hands. Breathe out, hug yourself. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In, out. 2 more times. In, out. In, out. And let go. Relax. Vishram kare. Now the next one is called the breath hold walks. What you need to do is follow the instructions. अच्छे से सुनो और सिर्फ फॉलो करते जाओ. Take a breath in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Breathe out. Last breath in. Breathe out. For the exercise, breathe in. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Pinch your nose and walk 10 steps. 1, 2. मन में count करो. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Pinch your nose, hold your breath and walk 11 steps. Breathe in, breathe out. 12 steps. Now we will continuously keep progressing, count internally. हम लोग हर बार एक कदम ज्यादा करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, आपने जो राउंड तक आप खींच पाए वहां तक वापस करना है. मतलब क्या, जैसे अब हम 13 करेंगे बट आपका 11 ही अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, यू विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग 11. आप 11 ही बार बार करते रहोगे. ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम 10 टू 20. इफ यू कैन, यू गो फ्रॉम 10 टू 20, और इफ यू गेट, suppose you feel uncomfortable beyond 13, you keep doing 13 10 times. If you feel uncomfortable at 14, you keep doing 14 10 times. If you feel you want to take 2 breaths in between, that is also fine, no problem there. अगर आपको लगता है बीच में 2 बार सांस लेना पड़ रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, 2 बार सांस लो. Anyone with extreme high BP, do only 10 steps every time we do more. Okay, हम लोग 10 से 20 करेंगे बट आपको 10 ही करना है. इसका फायदा क्या है, क्या होगा, ये सब हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. प्रॉब्ली आई विल सेंड यू अ वीडियो लेटर, बट फॉर नाउ जस्ट डू द टेक्निक विद अस एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव और द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक टू enhance योर फिजिकल कैपेसिटी ऑफ ब्रेथ. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 12 टू 20 तक जाएंगे. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, पिंच 12. Breathe in, breathe out. 13. Breathe in, breathe out. 14. Breathe in, breathe out. 15. Breathe in, breathe out. 16. Breathe in, breathe out. 17. Breathe in, breathe out. 18. Breathe in, breathe out. 19. Last time, breathe in, breathe out. 20. रिलैक्स. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, होल्ड, और आप जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हो उतना ज्यादा एक बार करना है. दैट बिकम्स आवर स्कोर. ठीक है, तो एवरी मंडे वी विल डू दिस स्कोर, and from tomorrow for a couple of days we will do this technique before the session. Okay, so that I'll also make you improve on that and probably answer the common questions that you have around it. Okay, so do this as a final round. Breathe in, breathe out, hold, and push yourself as much as you can. Don't overdo it. जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हो, जैसे हो सकता है 20 बहुत कंफर्टेबली हो पाया, कुछ लोगों का नहीं भी हुआ होगा, बट अगर हुआ तो मैक्सिमम कितना कर सकते हो करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, होल्ड योर ब्रेथ, पिंच योर नोज, गो फॉर इट एज मच एज यू कैन. Okay, and type your score. If you ask me what's a good score, anywhere above 40 is a good score. If you're under 40, it's very easy to reach 40 ka mark. You will get there if you practice it every day, and I'll ensure that you practice it from tomorrow before the session. ठीक है? 40 के ऊपर हो मतलब आपका जो सिस्टम है वो बहुत ही सुपर अच्छा है. अगर 20 to 40 की रेंज में है तो थोड़ा इंप्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है. 20 से कम है अगर अभी तो ज्यादा फोकस करने की जरूरत है. हर किसी का स्कोर इंप्रूव हो सकता है. एवरी वन कैन इंप्रूव देयर स्कोर टिल 40 वेरी इजीली. बियॉन्ड 40 इट बिकम्स रियली टफ. ओके, कंटिन्यू योर वॉक while others are typing in. Remember this score. Next Monday we'll take another score and then we'll compare this Monday how much it was and next Monday how much it is. And relax, settle down. आराम से बैठ जाओ. The next breathing that we will do is very helpful for the diaphragm. So what we need to do is take a deep breath in and blow like this. पूरी ताकत से जितना आप सांस छोड़ोगे छोड़ना है. अगर इसको मुझे और एक्सप्लेन करना हो तो ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि मान लीजिए आज आपका 100वां जन्मदिन है. It's your 100th birthday and there are 100 candles in front of you and you have to blow all of them in one go. If you practice regular exercise, I'm sure you will cross 100 also. Okay, so take a deep breath in and breathe out forcefully. ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा मसाला. Breathe in. पूरी ताकत से सांस छोड़ेंगे. In. Breathe in. 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 Breathe in and very slowly breathe out. Relax. आंखें बंद रखिए कुछ समय के लिए. The next breathing that we'll do is called box breath. So our breathing has 4 elements: in, hold, out, hold. We have to make all of them equal. That's what is called as the box breath. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. For box breath, breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold. In, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, and relax. Keep your eyes closed for some time. If you can, sit in Vajrasan. We'll practice Bhastrika. Anyone with extreme high blood pressure, you can avoid it. मिडिल रेंज थोड़ा बड़ा है, आराम से करो, बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगाएंगे. इफ यू वांट द ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर भस्त्रिका, द ऑल्टरनेटिव इज लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ्स. दैट्स इट. लूज फिस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर शोल्डर्स, एल्बोज क्लोज टू द बॉडी. इफ यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू डू भस्त्रिका, एक राउंड आंखें खोल के, बाकी 2 राउंड आंखें बंद करके. ट्राई टू डू इट विद अ स्माइल ऑन द फेस. नॉर्मल ब्रेथ इन, breathe out. Together for Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Relax. Hold your breath. Pull the muscles around your anal region in. गुदद्वार के स्थान के आसपास सारे मसल्स को अंदर खींचो. मूल बंद. Kegels hold helps you with strengthening the pelvic floor. And relax. Round 2. Take positions. Normal breath in. Breathe out. Bhastrika together. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Hold your breath. Apply your Kegels hold. Do as long as possible. Relax. थर्ड राउंड, टेक पोजिशंस, लास्ट राउंड. पूरा 100% देंगे, मुस्कुराते हुए करें. टेक अ नॉर्मल ब्रेथ इन, ब्रीद आउट with a smile on your face. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Let go. Apply your lock. Relax. If you're sitting in Vajrasan, you can slowly come out and sit in Sukhasana. आराम से बैठ जाए. And let's start to move your body left to right. Just stretch your lower back. By now, if you have remembered or you can understand the name of the asanas, अगर याद हो गया है थोड़ा बहुत, so I would recommend to keep your eyes closed, or if not, it's absolutely fine to keep your eyes open as well. And go forward and back. And let's come on our fours. We'll do Marjory Asana or the cat-cow stretch. Breathe in, push your stomach down. Breathe out, chin to the chest, pull your stomach in. You can do this sitting as well. Breathe in, breathe out 10 times. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. 3 more. Out, in, 9, in, 10. Relax. Lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. Make a fist of your hand. दोनों हाथों से मुट्ठी बना ले. And keep them under your groin. जंघा के नीचे रख ले. Join both your feet together and lift them up together. देखो दोनों पैर एक साथ ऊपर उठा सकते हो क्या? और नहीं तो एक एक ऊपर उठाएंगे. शलभासन. Until we build the strength, we do alternate. Continue to breathe long and deep. And relax, bring it down. Bring your hands under your shoulders. हाथों को कंधों के नीचे ले आए. Lift your head up, lift your chest up. सिर और छाती को ऊपर उठाए. हाथों का सहारा कम से कम ले. Minimal effort of the hand. Or if you wish to, you can do Ardha Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. And what's so special about our cobra? It can smile also. हमारे कोबरा की खास बात है कि हम मुस्कुरा सकते हैं. Try to push your shoulders away from the ears and try to push your shoulders down. कंधों को पीछे और नीचे की ओर पुश करें. Stay there, continue to breathe. Unless mentioned, you will continue to breathe and not hold it. जब तक बोला ना जाए तब तक सांस लेते रहना है, लंबी गहरी. And relax, bring it down. Now stretch your hands in the front. Most effective asana for a stronger back, Viparit Shalabhasana or the Superman Superwoman pose. Ideally, you should lift your hands and legs up together. If that sounds challenging, we will do one hand and one leg until we build the strength. 3, 2, 1, come up. And slowly bring it down. Relax. Makarasana. Bring any leg closer to the chest and relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. Keep your ear of opposite to the leg. जैसे लेफ्ट लेग बाहर है तो राइट ईयर जमीन पे रख देंगे. And take a deep breath in. Make a humming sound. Breathe in. Breathe in. 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 Relax completely. Turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. take your time to turn around. And once you do it, bring your legs up 90 degrees. You can keep your knees straight or you can keep your knees bent. Ardha Halasana. Feel the engagement in the core. Try pulling your toes in. पैरों की उंगलियों को अंदर की ओर खींचो थोड़ा सा. Relax. Bring your knees closer to the chest. Pavan Muktasana. Gas, bloating issues, you should do Pavan Muktasana every day. It's good for your digestion as well. Attempt to take your nose to the knee if you do not have any neck condition. Relax. Setu Bandhasan, the bridge pose. A mini inversion for us. Inversion is any pose where your heart goes above your head so that the blood supply to the brain is a little bit better. So lift your waist up. कमर को ऊपर उठाएंगे. पैरों को शरीर के पास रखें, घुटनों को आसमान की ओर. Very good for strengthening your legs and your glutes as well. And relax, bring it down. Let go. Supta Kapotasana, inverted pigeon. Keep your left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. Stretch. Let go the other side. Stretch. Relax. Join both your feet together. Extend your arms and twist left to right. If you have a lower back issue and you're not comfortable doing this, you can just lie down. अगर आपको लोअर बैक में तकलीफ हो रही है और ये आपको कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगे तो आप सिर्फ विश्राम करेंगे पैर सीधा करके. And after this round, relax. Shavasana. Let go of all the controls of your body, breath, mind, environment, situations. 1 मिनट के लिए सब ढीला छोड़ दे। Take a deep breath in and breathe out with a bigger smile. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy, I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले, मैं स्वस्थ हूं, मैं खुश हूं. Turn to your right side. And with the support of your hands, sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. Twist on the left after you sit up. And twist on the right. Do it a little more times. 2-4 बार और कर लो थोड़ा सा twist. Sit comfortable and easy. Stretch your body up. Parvatasana. And Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left at the back. Go forward and down. And relax. Slowly come up. We will end with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. But before we go into that, do not forget to type 13 in the chat box as a promise that you will be here with us for the next 13